In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to close your Google AdSense account permanently in 2025. Whether you're moving to a new platform, reorganizing your online business, or simply no longer need AdSense, it's important to follow the correct steps so your account is closed safely and completely. This guide will make the entire process clear and straightforward, even if you're doing it for the first time. To begin, go to the Google AdSense homepage. You can type Google AdSense in your search engine or open it directly if it's already bookmarked on your browser. Once you land on the page, click the sign in button in the upper right corner and log into your account. This step ensures you have full access to all settings required to close the account. After signing in, you'll arrive on your AdSense dashboard where you can view your site's earnings and performance analytics. Look to the menu on the left side and locate the section labeled Home from here. Scroll down and click on Account. This area contains every setting related to your personal information, payments, and account activity. Once you're inside the Account section, select Settings. This will open the area where Google stores the core configuration options for your AdSense profile next. Click on Account Information. This page is important because it includes your essential details along with the option to permanently close your account. Take a moment to review the information before moving forward. When you're ready, click the Close Account button. Google will now show a list of conditions you must meet before completing the closure. Make sure there are no pending payments, unresolved balances, or verification issues. If you have recent earnings, Google might wait until the payment cycle is complete before the account can officially close. This is also a good time to download your earning reports or payment history, especially if you need them for bookkeeping or tax records later. Once everything is reviewed and you're completely certain about your decision, confirm the closure. Google will then begin the process of permanently deleting your account from their system. After this step is complete, the account cannot be restored. So it's important to be absolutely sure before finalizing it. And that's the full process. You've successfully closed your AdSense account. This is a major step, especially if you've used AdSense for a long time, but following the correct steps ensures everything is handled cleanly. If you're switching to a different monetization method or exploring new platforms, feel free to check out our other tutorials where we break everything down in a simple and beginner-friendly way.